everybody, welcome to another rockin' video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an abstract on paper. This ain't ordinary paper, this is butcher block paper, and it's got a poly coating on it for freezer, wrapping meat and stuff. But this is really good for abstracts and art. We're going to flip it over to the paper side. Yeah, it's got a little bit of shit on it already, who cares? Hey, we're going to start out black, generously. Make a nice cool little pattern there. And then we're going to get a gray color, machine gray. Kind of throwing some shape there. That's a nice mid-tone. Kind of cool abstract as it is. Okay, we're going to add a little white maybe, just a little bit. Okay, because your canvas is already white, so you don't want to make it too white. Try to go like that. Okay, that's pretty good. I'm going to add a little accent red to it, probably in the center a little bit. Kind of shake around there. Alright, that's good enough. I don't want to use too much red. Anyway, so here's the magic part, guys. We're going to get it. We're just going to fold it in half. Right in half. We're going to kind of angle it there. They're going to kind of angle it this way. This way, everywhere. Okay. Anyway, just kind of angle it a few times. Kind of cool. There we go. That's it. That's all you want to do. Undo it. And voila! Isn't that badass? It's kind of like a shot, kind of a mental test. Isn't that cool? Looks like you can make it into an animal of some kind. Spirit animal or whatever. But anyways, this is a cool abstract idea right here. You just let that dry. Let that dry, and then you want to mat it and frame it. That's it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that fast little ditty there. Peace out, Foltz Art. Continue to keep creating and doing art.